Hello, and welcome to this programme on deep cleaning for suspected workplace infections of coronavirus. The aim of this programme is to provide guidance for cleaning when there has been a suspected coronavirus infection in the workplace, a so-called deep clean. This programme does not provide guidance for the cleaning of healthcare facilities. It is assumed that you have already taken guidance for routine cleaning to help prevent spread of coronavirus and other introductory coronavirus safety courses. And so, in this programme, we will examine the following sections: documentation, personal protective equipment, PPE, cleaning equipment, pre-cleaning key steps, cleaning key steps, post-cleaning and disposal of PPE. As the information regarding coronavirus continues to develop, it's important to always check for the most up-to-date guidance provided by your employer, the NHS and HSE. If at any time you suspect you may be infected with coronavirus, do not come to work, alert your manager immediately, self-isolate and contact your GP or the health service for guidance.